Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see by the title, we are making kontomire stew or spinach stew. We begin by getting our already cleaned and chopped kontomire from the freezer to cool. We add water to it and then we cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. The pot I was using to cook the kontomire was small and it was messing up my stove, so I had to get a bigger one. And as you can see, the kontomire is cooking. Our kontomire has been cooking for 10 to 15 minutes now, so at this point we strain the water and then cover it halfway for it to cool down and then continue our stew process. As you can see, this is all the ingredients we are using for our stew. We have our kontomire, mushrooms, wale, momone or fermented fish, red onions, garlic and ginger, chopped fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, habanero, agushi. For seasoning, we have salt, my natural blend spice, onga, kontomire and shrimp, curry powder, Sankofa stew seasoning. So we begin by chopping our onions, garlic and ginger, blend with our habanero. I like to add my natural spice when blending the ginger, garlic and then habanero. Yeah, the natural spices is basically rosemary, cloves, thyme and all those natural stuff good for cooking. So I added 1.5 tablespoon and then 2 tablespoons of salt, blend and then set it aside. In a heated pot, we pour some palm oil and then we let it heat up just like this. We add our momone and then some chopped onions and then we fry them until translucent. Yeah, that's my sweet mama, sweet Adjeley. That's how she says it, fry the onion until translucent. You guys should check her YouTube channel out. She makes amazing cooking videos. You learn a lot, yeah, just like I have. I'll leave a link in the description box so you guys can check her YouTube channel out. This has been frying for 3 minutes now and our momone is literally breaking off, which is perfect. The right time to add our blended stuff. Stir and then cover it halfway. Let it fry. Whilst that is going on, we prep our egusi or agushi. We season with salt. You can add egg to this, but I didn't have any egg at home, so I just made it like that. And then you're supposed to add the water bit by bit. How you want your agushi to look like in your stew depends on how much water you add to this. So if you want it more chunky, you add less water, and then if you like it normal, just like me, you know, add a little bit of water, but it shouldn't be watery. That won't be good for a stew. No please. So this is the thickness or the consistency I'm looking for. We set it aside and checking our stew. Stew's looking good. We add our wale and then we let it cook with the blended stuff, and then we add some tomato paste. Stir, cover it halfway and then let it fry. Make sure you keep stirring to prevent the stew from burning. Just like this, guys. So we add our chopped tomatoes. This has been cooking for 3 to 4 minutes now. So at this point we add our agushi. This is where the chunks form, so at this point you have to lower the heat of your burner and then make sure you don't stir. But if you want to stir, make sure you do a gentle stir, just like this. And you guys see how my agushi look like in the stew. That's how I like it. So at this point we season with our onga KONTOMIRE, onga shrimp, curry powder, Sankofa stew. Add our mushrooms. You can add any protein of your choice at this point. You give it a gentle stir and then you let it cook for 4 to 5, probably 6 minutes, but make sure you keep stirring. Yo, look at this, so nice. So you keep stirring. At this point the stew is almost ready, so we stir and then let it cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, and then we add our KONTOMIRE. So as you can see, you gently stir your stew and then make sure you always clean the sides of your pot or bowl or anything you're cooking with. At this point the stew is as good as done, so we give it a final stir, lower the heat and then we let it simmer on low heat. Just like this. At this point the stew is ready. Finally we can eat. So you can pair this with some cooked yams. You guys are invited. You can also pair this with some plantains and then ripe plantains. You guys, this ripe plantain with the KONTOMIRE was so good. What you have, huh? That's besides the point. It goes so with rice, and my Nigerians, you can pair this with your gari, eba. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like and tell me in the comment section what you think about my stew, and then rate me out of 10. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. This is my first ever YouTube video. And thank you, God bless you for watching. Bye.